Greetings of the day, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Well, I got some good news, I got some bad news. Well, let's talk about good news. Well, the plastic has been completely banned from Maharashtra, especially in Mumbai city. Well, that's a good thing. This is the effect of water getting filled up on our roads because we have used plastic and thrown plastic in the dustbin and in gutter. That's why this is happening. I hope we don't have to see this next year. We can't only blame the BMC for not doing the job. Well, India is one of the most populated country in the world, but still we lack manpower in government. I don't know how. It's ironic, but that's a fact. Anybody who listens to it might find funny, but that's the reality of this country. A lot of potholes, a lot of water filled up most of the places where people travel regularly. See, the bike has stopped. Well, I don't know what's going on. No, I think there's a lot of water ahead. Need to plan my day. Should I take a left or should I go straight? Straight I'll reach early, left it will take me another 20 minutes in traffic. I think I'll take a risk by going straight. Okay, this brave taxi wala is planning to go there. Let me see if his bumper is going underwater or not. If it does, then my exhaust of my scooty will go underwater and then my scooty will stop in the middle of the water and that would be a problem. Nope, I think I'm good. I can go. It's clear. It's clear. Okay. I think the water is getting deeper. I hope I don't get stuck. Oh my god. Oh, this lady is shooting a video. Hello, tag me please. I want to see myself, how I look when I ride a scooty. I'm at a full acceleration. I'm giving full acceleration. I'm hardly going above 15 or 20. Oh, I forgot there was a speed breaker ahead. Okay, finally. Oh, this scooty is also stuck. Yep, made it through. Congratulations to me, I made it through. Risk what taking. Now let's talk about the bad news. Let's see what happened here. A big, gigantic tree fell and the whole car is smashed. Fortunately, no one was hurt. BMC has come, other people have come, whoever his job is to come and collect the wood, they're doing it. The wood cutter is here. Okay, so I see the crane also coming. Of course you need that because it was a very, very big tree. It was a badam tree, very big, but very old also. Of course you need the crane to lift that log. Too many potholes. The Dambar road is the worst in rains. I think every road should be made of concrete. That's the best road possible. Chalo, let's see while coming back what is the position of the car. I couldn't see the car properly. So I'm back again in this lane and let me check how things are shaping up. They must have cleared the road by now. The scooty you can't ride very fast, it's very slippery. There must be something important discussion going on that you have to stand in the middle of the road. Ladies, And he's the most smartest guy in this car. No indicator whatsoever. बाप का रोड है, गाड़ी खरीदी, रोड भी खरीदी. हाँ भाई, तुम भी गार्डन में वॉक कर रहे हो. Okay, let me check the car properly. Let's see this in slow motion. the whole front side of the car is smashed. It was a very big and heavy tree. Fortunately, no one is hurt. Thank God. Well, the lesson learned, never park your car under a tree, especially in rains. Cheers guys, ride safe, be safe.